welcome back to our channel. My name is Rockstarjoehang. You call me Rockstar for short. Let's do something fun today. I know when you watch my videos, you see like this polished product. I'm gonna show you how it looks before all that goes on. So right now, it's gonna look how I shoot it. And then this is how it's gonna look when I grade it. And then this is how it's gonna look when I add the little batteries and the little time code on top. If you ever wonder how I do my videos, I'm gonna show you right now. This is how it looks before I grade the footage, and this is how it looks when I grade the footage, and then this is how it looks when I add the time codes and the battery stuff. It takes a little bit more time, but it gives your footage a nice cool look to it that's gonna separate your work from all the other people just using their iPhone. Hope you guys had a wonderful holiday. Yesterday the gym was closed, of course, because it's Christmas, so I get it. Also, I see it as a chance to give my body a rest, because every day I feel like I need to come every day. It's like some kind of addiction I have. It gives it such a look, and it stylizes your work, and it kind of separates your videos from everybody else. If you're curious and you don't know, the camera I use is a Sony ZVE1, and I pair it up with this tripod. And the microphone I'm using, if you can see, it's the DJI wireless mic. I was just shooting it and just doing it simple, just raw. But then I noticed that, you know, adding these little touches to the videos make a whole difference in the world. So we're gonna start building that again. I think that'd be a cool thing to show you guys, the process that I do shooting and then editing footages later. And then now I'm kind of like putting music back into it. When I'm doing my videos, I always shoot in manual. I never shoot in automatic because I don't want the camera to guess what I want it to shoot. And I carry this bad boy. Weighs about 5 pounds at least, 5-6 pounds, I don't know. Definitely not light, so yeah, I gotta lug this bad boy around. But I love the image quality that it brings, and I love the small form factor. So shout out Sony. You made a good little vlogging camera. I approve of this camera for sure. I always want full control of my image. That's why I shoot only in full manual. I shoot at 12,800 ISO. I'm shooting with the 20mm 1.8 Sony lens. Got hair in my mouth. 1/48 of a second shutter speed, and my white balance is set to 4200, and that's because of the lighting conditions. That way, when I go home and color grade it, it's gonna have a certain look and feel to it. Your white balance is so important. The things that need to be white need to be white. And I know sometimes people like to shoot in full automatic. You're allowing the camera to guess everything, and that's why some of your footage doesn't look as good as it can be. And when you're color grading it, the colors start to shift, because it's always guessing and it's always trying to balance out what it thinks is right. So when I'm shooting, full manual is the way to go. Just so the videos don't take too long, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I wanna thank each and every one of you who subscribed. I appreciate you. I wanna wish you a Happy New Year, just in case I don't do a video then. So hopefully this video was more fun. It was different than the things we do, the things I shoot every day. So take care and have a good one.